This video is for all Jeep Wrangler JKUs or JKs. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. Today we're doing a replacement of the bushings or the hinge liners. It's a very quick video. We'll have an aluminum tool that we're using you buy with the bushing kits, and then the plastic bushings, and we'll show you the particular kind that we are using.
Remember, there are many liner kits out there. We just chose a DEF from Amazon, and here's a removal tool, but you're going to be using your hands and a hammer, so be safe.
We're going to show you how to remove these worn out inserts on a Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU, and depending on how stuck they are, you may need to do a few things. I'm going to show you everything you may need to do in case they don't come out that easy. I do hit it with a little bit of a PB blaster. Let it sit for a moment. Okay, I'm going to use this tool. You get this tool usually when you buy an insert kit made out of aluminum. I'm going to place it under here. I'm going to use a hammer. Be very careful not to hit your car or your paint. And I'm going to push that insert up and through.
Make sure you let the PB blaster soak, but if you can only move it just a little, hit it with the PB blaster again so it can get down the sides, and that will definitely help.
And you can see the old insert. Okay, so here's my new insert. I'm going to place it in here just like that. You have two ways of doing it. You can take your tool and just use it to kind of help guide initially, or you can just hit on the top directly. So I'll show you an example. Tap, 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 tap. You can do it that way, or if you're good and you hit it square, and then you have your new insert.
Thank you for visiting, and if this helped, please like and subscribe.